Now we are going to look at the stages of this fertilization. This is the ovum. It is the female gamete. It is found in the reproductive system of the female, inside the female body. The sperm will join with the ovum by transferring from the male body to the female body through ejaculation. So these sperm cells will swim towards the ovum. They will approach the ovum. They swim using their flagella. And once they approach the ovum, only one sperm cell can penetrate the cell membrane of the ovum. The other sperm cells will not be able to do so. So only this one sperm cell that succeeds enters through its nucleus to the ovum. And once it does that, the nucleus of the sperm and the ovum will fuse, and the ovum will form an extra membrane around it to prevent the other sperm from entering. So once this one sperm enters, no other sperm is allowed to enter. Only one sperm can fertilize an ovum. We previously discussed that sperm and ova are gametes, and they are produced by meiosis of germ cells. And we said that they are haploid cells, so they contain an n number of chromosomes instead of 2n like the remaining cells of the body. In humans, we have 23 chromosomes in haploid cells and 46 chromosomes in diploid cells. So the ovum has 23 chromosomes and the sperm has 23 chromosomes. But guess what? When fertilization occurs, the nucleus of the sperm will fuse with the nucleus of the ovum. So together, they will have 46 chromosomes. And once they are together, once fusion happens, we call this now a zygote. A zygote is like the first cell that forms a new organism. The sperm and ovum are genetically different because they are formed by meiosis, which allows for genetic variation. So they are both different, and once fertilization takes place, we will have different combinations of the chromosomes together between the chromosomes of the ovum and the chromosomes of the sperm. These different combinations will allow for even more genetic variation.